This is God is So Good by Makai in the key of D. And make sure to click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so in the key of D, we have three main chords. We have D, G, and A, and that's it for this song. So let's look at those chords. We have a D, F sharp, A, which makes up a triangle shape, and that is our D chord, okay? Then we have a G chord, G, B, D, and then we have an A chord. Move up one note and then pick up this black note right here. And we have A, C sharp, E. Makes up another triangle shape, okay? Okay, so we have our D chord, triangle, G chord, A, triangle. That's it. Let's look at left hand. We're just gonna play single notes, and we're gonna play single D with our D chord, G with our G in the bass, and A with A in the bass. Okay, the rhythm that we could do to bring to the two hands together sounds like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the G chord. G, together, right, A chord. Pretty simple, nice marching rhythm, right? All right, so let's bring in some vocals. There's just gonna have a lot of repetition in this song since there's 4 verses and there are only 2 lines each and they just repeat. So it's very simple. All right, so let's look on verse 1 with the D chord starting us out. God is so, and then may move to the A chord. Good. God is so, back to the D. Good. God is so, move to the G. Good. He's so, D. Good. A chord. 2. Back to the D. Me. Okay, I'm going to repeat that really slow and not talk the way through it so that you can just follow along for a minute. God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good to me. See that nice marching rhythm? It's just very simple. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. D, G, G, D, A, D. All right, I'm going to play this beginning to end since there's so much repetition for you. It's just very simple. Just have a lot of fun with this one. Here we go.